Dear students, today I am preparing a video related to Unit 15, Class 12, Chemistry, polymers. Topic name, polymers. So, many molecules of a compound react chemically and form a big compound. So this process is called polymerization and such product is called polymer. A substances that involve in polymerization that is called monomer. So ethene, many molecules of ethene react chemically and form polythene. So here ethene is monomer, a polythene is polymer, and this process is said to be polymerization. Now listen student, hexamethylene diamine reacts with adipic acid and form nylon 6,6. So this is an example of polymerization. Here nylon 6,6 is an example of polymer. This process is considered as polymerization. Listen students, in this chapter you have to study classification based on source. Three types of polymer given. Natural polymer, it means gifted by nature, it means plants or animals. Protein, cellulose, starch, resin, rubber. These are examples of natural polymers. Semi-synthetic polymer, cellulose, derivatives as cellulose acetate and cellulose nitrate etc. are example of semi-synthetic polymer. Synthetic polymer Buna S or nylon 6,6, okay, are example of a synthetic polymer. It means they are prepared by man, so you can say synthetic polymer. After that, classification based on structure of polymer. Linear polymer. The linear polymer example, polythene, PVC. Second, branched chain polymer. Its example, low density polythene. Okay, a cross linked or network polymer. Example, bakelite or melamine. So I think classification based on a structure. Now listen, classification based on mode of polymerization. So addition polymer, many molecules of ethene react chemically and form polythene. You can say example of addition polymer, you can say homopolymer. Okay, one more, copolymer, 1,3-butadiene react chemically with styrene and form Buna S. It is an example of copolymer. Okay, in addition, homopolymer polythene and copolymer Buna S. Now condensation polymer, condensation polymer, its example nylon 6,6. Okay, nylon 6,6 example. Nylon 6,6 is formed by the condensation of hexamethylene diamine with adipic acid. So all students have to capture. After that, given elastomers. The elastomers classification based on molecular forces. Elastomers, neoprene or Buna S, Buna N, Buna S, and neoprene are example of this. Fibers, fibers example nylon 6,6. After that, thermoplastic polymer, its example polystyrene, polythene, polyvinyl, etc. Thermosetting polymers, its example bakelite. So you have to remember, you have to revise properly about these things, because these are very important for your examination. Okay. After that, Teflon. How is Teflon formed? So, many molecule of tetrafluoroethane react chemically in presence of catalyst, then Teflon is formed. So you have to capture. Okay. After that, condensation, polymerization, given polyamide. In polyamide, you have to study preparation of nylon. The nylon, it is prepared by condensation of polymerization of hexamethylene diamine with adipic acid under high pressure and at a high temperature. Then nylon 6,6 is formed. A nylon 6, so generally you can say caprolactam react chemically, or you can say nylon 6, it is obtained by heating caprolactam with water at a high temperature. Polyester, given very simple, polymerization of ester form polyester. Okay, so you have to capture it. Melamine, the melamine, melamine polymer. So melamine react with formaldehyde and form resin intermediate. After polymerization of this, melamine polymer is formed. Okay, so you have to capture it. Copolymerization, so 1,3-butadiene react with styrene, then form butadiene styrene copolymer. Okay, so you have to capture it. Natural rubber, natural rubber. Isoprene. Okay, vulcanization of rubber, Vulcan god. I think rubber reacts with sulfur and form a special type of rubber. It is hard. This is an event that happen in other country where God is respected as Vulcan. That is why it is considered as vulcanization of rubber. Okay. Neoprene. Neoprene. The neoprene is prepared by polymerization of 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. Okay. So you have to capture it. After that, biodegradable polymer, biodegradable polymer given in your book PHBB, polybeta hydroxy butyrate co beta hydroxy valerate. Okay, given in your book, you have to revise properly. I think many polymers are given in your book. You have to remember their monomers, structures, usage, a preparation already. Beside it, NCERT question answer. Okay, all students. Particularly for weak students, preparation of I think nylon 2, nylon 6. You have to revise mentioned topics. For weak students, you have to revise. For intelligent, each and every topic you have to revise well for the examination. Thank you.